For the top drawer, I'm using these beautiful felt containers I found on Amazon. I want to start reading my Bible more this year. I found this one on Etsy. It's so beautiful. You can make it even more organized with all of these tabs. I have a diffuser next to my bed, so I'm just keeping a few of my favorite essential oils in here. I'm going to store some of my medicines that I use often in this container. Gentle hair ties are a must. You'll never catch me with my lips not moisturized. These are everything to me. Now to figure out what to put in the secret drawer on the top. We're going to keep it PG so I can remain on this app. I'm going to put some eye masks. I like to use these in the morning when I'm scrolling on my phone. They really do work and just make you feel good. I'm always needing scissors for something in my room, so I'm keeping a pair in here. Lighters for my candles, my AirPods, an extra portable charger, and my Calm essential oil stick for my anxiety. I'm sure more things will end up in here over time, but for now, we'll keep it with that. But now let's move on to the bottom. I got this set of containers from Walmart, so I'm gonna put them in and hopefully they work. My nail just broke off. That hurts so bad. Let's just ignore that happened. These are actually really awesome. They feel nice and heavy duty. And if you don't want this, you can just take it out. Fitting the containers how you want can always be sort of like a puzzle. So I'm gonna move these smaller ones over here so it can function better. Now the fun part, filling them up. I need to go to Costco later to restock on snacks because we're running low, so I'm resorting to trail mix. Since I don't have any other snacks to fill the containers with, I'm going to take this out for now. This may be lazy, but I have a tumbler by my bed. I asked James to fill it for me every night. So my solution right now, so he doesn't have to get up, is just storing some extra water bottles back here because normally the ice is still fresh and good. I just need the liquid. So this definitely solves the problem for now. I have my candy salad I made. I'm just going to refill it since little hands were in here yesterday and a husband. All right, there you have it. The snack drawer is complete. Now my nightstand is perfectly organized and stocked. It feels so good.